Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Have two wonderful Amazon people. Their vehicle is not working whatsoever. You need 12.5 volts in the battery to have, well, a minimum 12.5 volts in the battery to have a good battery. With this being said, they're at 9.75 and still dropping. You need a minimum of 9.8 volts to get this starter in this vehicle to turn. It takes 5 volts for the inside of the vehicle to do whatever it's doing. So with this being said, let me see if I can see the date on this battery. I cannot.
Nobody can ever find it.
Yeah, I just found it. It's stuck in the car, but I know it's like a 2019. Unless my eyes are incorrect. But anyway, this car is not going to start. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the jumper and we're going to jump this car. This is the sound of a vehicle needing a battery. If this happens to you and you're trying to start your car, battery's too low. So now we're going to go get the jumper. We're going to jump this vehicle and we're going to see if the car fires right up. Customer thinks it's just the alternator or the starter. So ma'am, we're not going to put you in the video, but what did you think that the issue was?
The guy that came out here to AAA guy, he tested the battery and he said that the alternator was low and wasn't doing his job properly. And he said that the battery was kind of making up for what the alternator was supposed to do or something like that.
Guys, that guy has told you incorrect. The alternator charges the battery runs the car. So we're going to charge this up and the numbers don't lie. So you're going to need at least a 13.8 to 14. That means the alternator is doing what it's supposed to do. He had it kind of backwards, but I'm not here to put anybody.
I'm explaining it the wrong way.
He probably told you that. I don't doubt it. All right, we're going to start the car up. Numbers don't lie. We're going to go by the data. All right, this battery is so discharged. I'm going to have to use my truck. The battery is discharged so badly. Usually this will jump it. All right, let's do it again. All right, with that being said, the battery is completely discharged. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna pull my truck over. We're gonna get this vehicle started, and it's gonna be part 2 to this video.